Naka-video na, Austin. Hi, baby Bryson. We are here in Taliwang Beach Resort, Esperanza, San Francisco, Camotes, Cebu. Taliwang Beach Resort, Esperanza, San Francisco, Camotes, Cebu. Guys, ha? Oy, di man ang fit kanang tuhod.
Tuhod ra. Bako.
Dili.
Kasi down ko ba niya ikuon?
My grandson, baby AJ, putting sands on my feet. Hala, basig na itae sa ero imong apil og kahon. Hi, baby Bryson. Bebe Bryson.
Ha? Ah, banane.
Mo na gyud ko gihugaw-hugawan ba? Taliwang Beach Resort in Esperanza, San Francisco, Camotes, Cebu. Guys, very nice the sea, so clear and the sun so white, like in Tulang Diot, small Tulang Diot, and in Boracay. Okay, bye guys. Have a blessed day. Stay safe, everyone.